Howdy folks, this is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company here in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide. And if you'd like to know more about it, such as pricing, or if you'd like to view the VinSmart VIN report, which is very similar to a Carfax, you can click on the link below in the description and it'll take you directly to our website. It's got the ultraviolet blue and molten lava flames on it. And this one's got the Stage 4 117-inch fuel-injected twin cam with a 6-speed transmission. Got the Vance & Hines X pipe along with some Vance & Hines slip-ons. And of course it's got the Screaming Eagle high-flow breather on it. You got floorboards for the rider, pegs for the passenger, got the engine guard, and you got the oversized highway pegs. The saddlebag guards are paint matched. You can get a little storage bag right there on that one. It's got a Corbin seat. Factory security, 6.5-inch touchscreen display with Bluetooth and navigation, electronic cruise control, ABS brakes, with the ape hanger handlebars. Got all the chrome controls. You've got some aftermarket mirrors on it. Stainless steel braided cables. It's got the LED headlight on it. It's a good tread on the front tire. It's got a heel toe shifter on it. Then it also has the Boom Audio Stage 2 rider backrest. It's got the 4-point docking hardware. So you got the quick detached tour pack with the LED tail lights. It's a good tread on the rear tire. And then this one, it's got a quick detach passenger backrest, and that's also been paint matched to the bike as well. There's a couple little wear spots here on the seat. You can see right there. You got the flush mounted gas cap on it. And the bike's just under 14,000 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and give us a call. Or you can always click on that link below in the description. It'll take you directly to our website where you can also view the rest of our inventory. We do have a full parts and service department. We offer finance and warranty options. We accept almost anything in on trade, and we ship and sell bikes worldwide. This is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.